My name is Paul Gugliuzza. I'm an associate professor here at BU Law School. I specialize in intellectual property law, particularly patent law, and I also teach the required first-year course in civil procedure. Before I became a law professor, I practiced patent litigation at a large global law firm. And what I learned in practice was that, it's very important to know the substance of patent law. It's very important to understand the technology that's relevant to the patents at issue in the case. Perhaps most important is to understand the issues of procedure and jurisdiction that accompany the case. So, for example, questions of which court can you file a case in, or should we pursue court proceedings? Should we pursue administrative proceedings? Should we pursue some combination of the two? Those are really important strategic questions. They're questions that clients are very interested in. And so I found that intersection of jurisdiction and procedure with substantive patent law is really interesting, really enjoyable, and a really fruitful area of research and teaching for me. One of the questions I get a lot from students who are interested in intellectual property is whether they need to have a scientific background to practice in the area. And the answer is generally no. Although intellectual property often deals with complex cutting-edge areas of technology, particularly in patent law, what's most important is that you're intellectually curious and willing to learn what you need to learn about the technology to be able to serve your client well. One of the most important skills for a young lawyer to have is really good research and writing skills. And I think at BU Law we really offer a lot of opportunities to develop those skills. For example, in my patent litigation class, a large portion of each student's grade is based on a brief that they research and then write in a simulated patent case. It gives the students an opportunity to get feedback as they work through drafts and I give comments on them. And it also gives them an opportunity to work in a situation that's very similar to the sort of assignment they would get on their first day on the job in a law firm as a patent litigator. BU is a wonderful place to study intellectual property law. We have a wide-ranging curriculum in all areas of intellectual property, including patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets. We also have two excellent clinics which give students an opportunity to work with real clients on intellectual property related issues. Those are our intellectual property and entrepreneurship clinic, as well as our cyber law clinic. And then Boston itself is just a wonderful place to study intellectual property law because there's so much interesting business and law practice going on, particularly in the life sciences and in the software industries.